Hi guys, welcome back to Wanderlust with Molly. Today I am going to pack my backpack for my Interrail trip that I'm taking in just a couple of days. So I want to take you on this little journey of packing. I'm trying to be a minimalist, but it's not that easy. I'm usually used to bring a big suitcase, and this time I'm bringing only a backpack. So let's see how it goes. I'm going to be gone for 15 days. So I won't need that much clothes, and I guess that we can wash or do a laundry while we're on the road. So I'm trying to bring very little stuff, and I'll pack all my clothes in these packing cubes, so I won't make a mess on the backpack. So let's look at the stuff I'm bringing. For clothes, I'm bringing one white t-shirt, one black singlet, two black t-shirts, and one yellow top for colder days. For bottoms, I have one shorts for the beach, two biker shorts for the day, and one leggings in case it gets cold. I'm also bringing one jumpsuit and one dress. For sleeping wear, I have one t-shirt and one shorts, and I also packed one sleeping mask. So let's put everything in one packing cube. Let's go, let's roll. I have one small packing cube for my underwear, so here are 7 panties. I'll be gone for 15 days, but it's okay to have 7 so I can do laundry when I'm halfway through my journey. I'm also bringing 2 bikinis, you never know if you want to go swimming, and 5 pairs of socks. I need socks inside my shoes, I don't know how many, but I'm bringing 5. I also have these bands for my thighs, they hurt sometimes, and a bra. I'm also going to wear one bra, so I got 2 ones. Bring a belt and some scarves for different purposes. Let's go, let's roll. I have one small case for different stuff. I have this one cloth roller, washing powder for when I'm doing my laundry, one free raincoat, two underwater phone cases for when I'm going swimming, one output charger stuff, one travel adapter, and copies of my passport. I have also made my own first aid kit with different stuff. I have bandages, condoms, pain reliefs, more bandages, I don't know, different stuff that I find essential for traveling. I always get blisters and I get travel sickness, so I have some stuff against that. And in case I get a cold, I got stuff for that too. For my toiletries, I am bringing one shampoo and conditioner, one deodorant, and one body soap, my toothbrush and toothpaste. What else do I have here? I have a dry shampoo by Oil. I don't know what it's called. Some sunscreen for the face and for my body. It's always important to make sure that you don't burn yourself. I have one, I don't know, soap of some kind, aloe vera in a small container, face cream, face wash, and I have one small wash for my eyelashes because I have eyelash extensions. I also have this small smart thing. It's soap leaves. They are great if you don't have any soap when you're washing your hands. I also bring my razor, and there's a little brush for my eyelashes as well. I have also some blotting papers in case my makeup is very oily. I have some bobby pins and a lot of hair ties, you never know. A small perfume and one more brush for my eyelashes and one toothpick.
Let's go, let's go, let's roll.
I'm also going to stay in a hostel, so I'm going to need flip-flops and some sandals. Sandals for the beach and flip-flops for the showers. And here is a cool trick. If you have a shower cap, you can use it to bring your shoes along so the rest of the stuff in the backpack won't get wet or disgusting. I'm not bringing a lot of makeup, but I bring my foundation in case I need it, and my sun powder, my setting powder, and my blush. I love my blush or else I look pale. I also have my highlighters, and I have my eyebrow pencils and some pencils for my lips. And of course my brow gel and some lipstick and one eyeshadow, my concealer, and of course the brushes I need, and one beauty blender and one tweezer. Some essentials are rain covers for your backpack, one waterproof bag for the beach, one travel towel, and padlocks, many padlocks. For accessories, I packed one piece of headwear, one pair of earrings, one necklace, one purse, and I also packed one pashmina, but I forgot to show you. Now let's make everything fit in my backpack. And hello, there is my kitty cat. For my day pack, I have some different things that I want to bring with me. First of all, I have made copies and a timetable of everything we're doing and train reservations and everything, so that's what's going first into the backpack. I've also taken out some money, euros and British pounds. They will only be in the day backpack for the flights. I also have this one for my passport, and I'm bringing some chargers. I hope to find some kind of way of charge my phone. I also bring my padlocks and my watch and pens. It's so important when you are interrailing. One reusable fork, one small antibac for my hands, and my sunglasses. And one book I'm hoping to read on the train. I have one water bottle and one reusable charger. That's my neck pillow and some games for the train trips. We need some games. We're traveling a lot. If you're wondering why I haven't brought any hoodies or nice pants, cozy pants, it's because I'm going to travel in them. So this is what I'm traveling in. So that was my backpack, and I'm really looking forward to going on this trip. And I'm excited to see if I get to use everything that I'm bringing or if I feel like I need more. So let's see then. I hope you learned something. I hope you got some ideas of what you can bring yourself. I will post a link of my backpack down below and some other essentials. So thank you for watching. Give me a like if you want to, maybe subscribe, and I will bring some more videos very soon of my trip and my unpacking. So